The vast emptiness of space hummed. A distress signal, faint but insistent, pierced the silence of the Starship Eclipse. It emanated from the Andromeda Galaxy, a far cry for help. The crew, hardened by years of space exploration, felt a chill. This mission was different. This was a one-way ticket, a rescue attempt at the edge of the known universe. Their destination, Kepler 199b, a planet shrouded in mystery, orbiting a star nearing its end. As Eclipse breached the threshold of the Kepler system, the first signs of anomaly appeared. The planet, once vibrant blue, was now a pale, lifeless grey. The distress signal, stronger now, pulsed with increasing urgency, a rhythmic heartbeat echoing in the void. Fear was a luxury they could not afford. They pressed on, their courage a flickering candle in the vast cosmic darkness. Kepler 199b loomed, a spectre against the dying star. The once thriving colony was now an eerie ghost town. Buildings stood empty, streets deserted, a silent testament to a tragedy unknown. The distress signal led them to a research facility, its doors sealed shut. Inside, the air was stale, heavy with the silence of the dead. The crew moved like phantoms through the deserted corridors. Each step echoed in the oppressive silence, amplifying the growing sense of dread. They finally arrived at the central command center. A lone console flickered, the source of the distress signal. On the screen, a final log entry, time-stamped, moments before the planet's demise. It spoke of a discovery, a cavern deep beneath the surface, and a power beyond comprehension. The log entry was a chilling whisper from a dead civilization. It spoke of an energy source, vast and ancient, slumbering beneath the planet's crust. An energy that could have saved them, but instead, it seemed, had destroyed them. The crew, bound by duty and driven by a thirst for knowledge, made a fateful decision. They would venture into the cavern, seeking answers to a mystery that had consumed an entire world. The descent was harrowing. The air grew thick with a strange energy, raising goosebumps on their skin. The deeper they went, the more oppressive the atmosphere became. The silence was broken only by the hum of their equipment and the frantic beating of their hearts. Then they reached it. The cavern. It was not a natural formation. It was an impossibly large structure, pulsating with an eerie, otherworldly light. The structure throbbed, alive with a malevolent energy. The light intensified, casting grotesque shadows that danced on the cavern walls. A low hum resonated from the structure, growing louder, morphing into a bone-jarring drone. The crew watched in terror as the very fabric of reality seemed to warp and twist around them. The distress signal changed, no longer a cry for help, but a warning. Escape was their only option now. They turned to flee, their footsteps echoing in the vast chamber, the structure's hum vibrating in their teeth. They raced back, their fear lending speed to their steps, but the structure was awake, its energy reaching out, tendrils of cosmic horror seeping into the cavern. They burst from the depths, the altered distress signal screaming behind them, a chilling reminder of the nightmare they had unearthed. The universe, once a source of wonder, now held a new, terrifying truth. They were not alone.
Subscribe.